Greetings, sports fans, and welcome to the May 2011 edition of Strat-O Minutes with yours truly, Terry Bartlemy. This month we'll be covering how to participate in the Strat-O-Matic related social media by posting replays. Sharing your experiences through game stories, box scores, and highlights can be a lot of fun. You can record a complete season or start with just a short series. We'll be using my own replay titled Integrated and Educational 1924 Replay as our example. I inserted 2 players from the Negro League set into each Major League team for the 1924 season. You can find our example at stratfanforum.com in the baseball section of the replays forum. It's a good idea to look over a few replays before starting your own thread. When you're ready, simply click on the Post New Thread button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Move your mouse over some of the symbols and you'll find buttons for adding a link, inserting photos, videos, changing fonts, wrapping code around box scores, and more. Type in the title of your thread at the top and add your first message into the content box. Then click Submit New Thread and you're on your way. Everyone has their own style when posting replays. There's no right or wrong way to do it. A lot depends on how much time and effort you want to put into it. It can be simple or something that you can read like a book. You can use all, some, or none of the following suggested elements in your replay. It's all up to you. An internet search on the year, team, or players can help you turn up useful information, videos, and photos for use in your posts. Now for some ideas to help make your replays fun to play while enjoyable for others to read. Try writing in a style with some color, or more than just play-by-play. Don't be afraid to flavor it with your own personality. Choose a season, team, or player that is of particular interest for you. Add an interesting what-if scenario. Example: drafting some Negro League players into pre-integrated Major League teams. Add some background or profiles of some players. Post regular updates to the standings. Give comparisons between your replay and the historical season. Respond quickly to posts by other people in your replay. Post comments in other people's replays and they'll respond to yours. Write about key matchups and statistics before the game. Example: what happened the last time these 2 pitchers faced each other? Add video clips of players or music from that season. Try writing scouting reports on players, especially rookie stars. Post Player of the Month awards. Comment on the pennant race and talk about players that are cold or hot in carrying their team. Include player photos. You can find photos at Google Images among other locations on the internet. Right-click on an image, then left-click on Copy Image Location. Click on the Insert Image symbol and then paste a link for the photo into your post. Include posts about famous people, music, comics, movies, etc. from the year of your replay. This helps convey a feeling of stepping back in time to the season that you're playing. Use scoring summaries telling how teams scored in your games. Give a little baseball history. What happened that season in real life? Add some non-sports history. What were some significant news stories from that year? Post your box scores. Highlight key performances for each game in bold. Post outstanding performances such as hot streaks. Use your imagination to write manager interviews. Update the league leaders frequently. Post on important events such as no-hitters or blockbuster trades. Many of these ideas will become clearer to you as you read our example replay. See if you can find some of these elements as you follow along. The most important thing to do is just get started. If you're like me, then you'll learn as you go. Use your imagination in whatever as-played seasons or what-if scenarios sound like fun to you, and we'll see you in the forums. Please send your tips and ideas for future Strat-O-Minute video blogs to stratominutes@hotmail.com. For Strat-O-Matic, this is Terry Bartlemy. Thank you for joining me for Strat-O Minutes.